T. Clark here, and this video is going to go over how to parse a sentence with spaces, using index of and substring, these two string methods. So our sentence is, the product has exceeded my expectations. And our goal is to access each word. Each word is separated by a space, and we're going to access them one at a time. And then as we access each word, we're going to remove that word from the string. Oh, that should be capital S, oh well. So our steps are to first get the space index. So our space index after the first word. Then get the substring of the first word, which is the beginning up until that space index. Then we're going to remove that first word by replacing the whole string with the substring after the first space. And we'll repeat that as long as there are spaces. So let's see. So first we're going to access and remove the word the. So first we're going to get the space index. And we'll use the sentence.index of, that space, so index of right there. We get that space position, that index, and then we want to get the substring of the first word, the beginning, so 0 to the space index, so sentence.substring 0 to space index. That'll give us the first word, not including the space. Remember, it doesn't include the space index, it goes up until, but doesn't include that, that position, that index. And then we have that word, we can add it to whatever we're going to do with it. In this case, we're just going to add it to new line each word. And then what we're going to do, we're going to remove that the by first, we have to get the whole substring after the space. So space index plus 1, we want the substring of everything after the space. So it starts with the P in this case. And then what we're going to do, we're going to just overwrite the sentence with that, and the goes away when we do that. So there's our new sentence without the first word. And then I'm going to repeat it. It means go back up to the top. And now we're going to access and remove the product. We'll go a little bit faster. So get the space index of that space. Get the substring from 0 to that space index. So get that first word. And then we're going to access it, use it however we want over there. And then we're going to get everything after the space. And then overwrite it without that first word and without that first space. So the first word and space go away, and there's our new sentence. And then we're going to repeat it again and again. So here we go, access and remove the word has. So get the first space, or get the position, get the index of that space, get that first word, use it however we need to. And then we're going to get the remaining after the space, and then overwrite it so there's no more first word and no more first space. Okay, now we're going to repeat it and access and remove the word exceeded. Okay, get that space after the first word. Get the substring from the beginning, from 0 to that space index. And then we're going to use that word. Then we're going to access everything after the space and basically overwrite it. And now our new sentence is my expectations. Okay, and then we're going to repeat it. And we're going to access and remove the my. Okay, get that space, get the word. Use the word however we need to. Then I'm going to remove the first word and space. It should be remove first word and space, but basically everything after the space is overwrites the whole string. And then we cannot repeat. If you look at it, there's no more spaces in this sentence up top. So because we can't repeat, how do we get the last word? How do we get this expectations? So basically all we do, we're done with that loop, we're done with that algorithm, and all we do is just add the last word to the result. There's no need to find any index, no indices, no index of, no substrings. We just add that last word. So watch out for that end case when there are no more spaces. And that's it. Have a good day.